All right, weekly outlook. As always, first we start with Forex Factory, what the news is for this week, and then we go over the watch list. Interesting week, new month, first day of the month in March. We have NFP coming up on Friday, so a very exciting week. And let's start on Monday. Today, 10 a.m., we have ISM, manufacturing, smaller red folder. We will do this together on the live stream. Live streams are today 9:15 a.m. EST, and tomorrow and Thursday, Tuesday and Thursday, a London session 2:30 EST. So on Tuesday, tomorrow we have JPY speaker and AUD GDP. Then on Wednesday we have GHF CPI, USD red folders. Thursday's a big boy. We have Euro rates coming in. So that means don't trade on Thursday for the Euros. Don't do it. Not worth it. Then we have USD red folder, and of course, Friday NFP, scattered folders and NFP. So the majority of the USD volume probably gonna be around NFP, but the market is looking nice. So let's waste no time. Let's look into it. So let's start with DXY. DXY had an interesting move. I didn't see that coming last week. The up move. So on Wednesday we made a low there. On Monday already low, but here Wednesday 26th we displaced upwards, and now we are in this daily bullish for value gap. And now it's the question: are we going to respect that or not? So for now, I'm neutral on that question. I am okay with DXY going higher, but I rather want it to go higher from the monthly bullish for value gap. I know that's a lot to ask. Maybe rate cuts coming in as well very soon. So that means lower dollar. So the monthly bullish value gap is still a point of interest for me. So two scenarios, very simple. Today, waiting. Are we going to respect the daily bullish value gap? If we do, we can create a low of the week, maybe today or tomorrow already, to then go up. If we don't do it and we just completely ignore this bearish bullish value gap, then I'll be looking later this week for shorts on DXY towards the monthly bullish value gap. Shorts on DXY means longs for the USD pairs. So this Monday I'm neutral. Point of interest we are in right now. And from there we continue to JPY. Same JPY, massive down move today already. So let's zoom out a little bit. Here in the monthly we are in bullish structure. On the week we made a nice rejection here. And now we open bearish this week. No super clear point of interest for me. Where I'm now looking at is a forming of a potential sell model. So from here we rejected. So we took lots of highs, right? Recently we took so many highs right here. So a move down is on the cards, of course. So we already broke structure for value gap 1. Today and tomorrow I'm interested in potentially seeing for value gap 2 being created as well. And means lower JPY basket means higher JPY pairs. Then for the indices, Nasdaq, let's zoom in a bit. Nasdaq, we could see a low of the year. Yeah, I'm calling this. You heard it first. In February, most of the time there's a low being set, like a quarterly low or maybe a yearly low. And this one could be it. SMT with ES. ES did not take the January 13 low, January low. Nasdaq did, January low, inside a key level. So from here, I'm honestly going to look for buy structure being formed. And how does the buy structure looks like? I want to see discount rate forming. So now we don't have too much yet. So I would like to see some more discount rates being respected, and then just go back to the 2020, the 22,000s, the all-time highs. On the hourly, we already have one for value gap being tapped in. That's nice. But I want to see a little bit more. But my bias is going to be bullish on the indices. I know everyone is bearish on the indices. I'm not. I'm bullish. So let's see. So same as with DXY. If you're anticipating maybe some order flow change, just look at the arrays. So here we have a bearish daily for value gap. Let's see if it's respected or not. Make it easy. Let the market tell you what to do. If it's ignored, well, it's probably gonna go higher. If it just is respected, so we start breaking down from here, cool. Then we're gonna short back to last week's low. My bias is gonna be higher, but if the market tells me nope, that bias is wrong, my ego is gone. Like, I'm just gonna short that move. I want to make money. You don't want to be right. You want to make money. That's the most important part. So bias is higher for the indices, all of them. So I'm gonna play that. So let's see what we have. Cool. Then for the euro pair, already took a trade on euro US dollar earlier today during London. My favorite setup came. Swing low created in a 4-hour bullish for value gap. I'm gonna break it down right here. I'll make a post on this. A very, very easy trade, very clean moves. But with DXY being neutral right now, remember what I mentioned about DXY? I want to see what we do inside this daily bullish for value gap. That means for USD pairs, I'm waiting. So same here for euro US dollar. I want to see what we do inside this daily bearish for value gap. This one. For GU, doesn't look like we want to respect it. For GU, we have this massive daily BC here as well. So I'm gonna sit on my hands on the USD pairs for now. What was very interesting in AUD USD and NTD USD, last week we traded into a monthly bearish for value gap and rejected from there. So the month of February, right here, a high and rejected. Monthly level, then drop to the daily. And we see displacement from the daily. So shorts on AUD USD could be something I'm gonna watch. That could indicate that DXY is gonna go higher. Shorts on the AUD USD is something I would watch, just like NTD USD, similar monthly bearish for value gap right here. And drop to the daily. Also, let's see if we trade into the daily SIBIs here, if we can then take potential shorts towards somewhere down here. Probably later this week, close towards NFP, but this is an idea that's pretty nice. Like, a monthly level is very significant because a monthly value gap doesn't form in like 4 months, 3-4 months to get traded into. So it's quite significant. So it's for the DXY, indices, USD pairs. Now let's go to the cat pairs. Cat pairs, very bullish. All the cat pairs, like insanely bullish, with potential DXY going higher. USD cat traded to a monthly bullish for value gap and rejected. That's very bullish. So I'm gonna follow that. That means on the daily, I want to see bullish arrays being respected for value gap here with another one here. And once we are in these fair value gaps, I want to see on the lower time frame the buy structure being created. And of course, a confirmation in this case for DXY also going to the upside. EuroCat, this one left the station. I said we were very bullish. I was looking for potential longs here. Well, obviously the market agreed, but without me. Yeah, I'm gonna wait out a retracement. I'm probably gonna remove this from the watch list if it keeps going. Very nice movement, of course. Internal to external, very clean. The other cat pairs like GCat also very bullish. Missed the whole move. Like this, like crazy. From the weekly bullish value gap. You can miss moves, that's okay. Very aggressive. I'm not gonna chase this. There are other opportunities coming in. And I'll just wait for price to come back into some structure, to the range, to then potentially take another trade. So that's for EuroCat is not nice, but potentially USD Cat could be nice. Maybe already today, maybe tomorrow for longs towards the highs. And then for JPY pairs, remember the JPY where we're looking for potentially buy structure being formed, sell structure being formed. That means buy structure on the JPY pairs. JPY pairs, Euro and GBP are the most significant for me. And why? Very simple. SMT at the lows, guys. SMT at the lows. Look at this. Look at the low of September. Euro took it. And we didn't here. September low is somewhere here. So GPJPY is very, very strong. SMT with displacement, that is very nice. And we already created for value gap 1. We tapped into that today. Right here. And I'm going to wait this out. What I want to see, very clear, I want to long towards these highs. So hope to get a retracement. Tomorrow, today, potentially to then long that. So also during the live stream on Tuesday, definitely the top watch. Looks like a very clean trade. One of the easiest we can take this week. So that's for the JPY pairs. I think we can go higher. Again, let's see if this structure creates. If it creates, it's going to be trading on easy mode, guys. We're just going to take out these lows. We're just going to have a good time together. And if not, we sit in our hands. Also good. Also good. Cool. Then gold. Gold is tricky. Gold is tricky. Why is gold tricky? We traded into a weekly bullish fair value gap. Right here. Last week. And looks like we are respecting that. So that would say bullish. But I'm not convinced yet. I want to see this bearish array disrespected. And why? Because there's still, below this price action, there is still a monthly fair value gap and order block. So in January, if you guys saw the trades in January, I took many trades on gold in January because we create a swing low in a monthly fair value gap. That means on January, I said we're going up, definitely going up. So I took many trades here. But now we have exactly the same. So we have a bullish order block. Let's put the body here. Monthly order block and fair value gap. That is something I want to trade towards. That's why I said it's tricky. Like for now it looks bullish. But once we respect this daily bearish fair value gap, I am very open to short towards that area. And of course after that, we're just going to long this again. Back to the highs. This is how I want to play gold for the coming weeks. But don't pin yourself on this idea. This is something I would like to see. But if we see that daily bearish fair value gap being disrespected, ignored, I'm just going to trade back to all-time high. I'm just going to change my bias to longs again. But for now, I'm waiting to see how we react from a daily CB. And then last but not least, crypto. Ooh. That is some crazy rejection from this weekly business. Weekly level, this to me likes like a textbook market maker buy model. So I think it's time to pack your crypto bags. I might day trade this as well. I think we're starting the fun part of the crypto bull run. This is like classic aggressive sells, aggressive buys. Fill your swings across the board here. Yeah, I think looking for higher price on crypto could be something. Now we are in a daily SIBI and daily BISI created. So let's see if we maybe can do this as a low of the week to then trade to the upside. I rarely day trade crypto, but this looks nice for a potential swing. I'm going to monitor this during the week as well. So that's everything I had to share with you guys today. Today, 9:15 EST on YouTube. Tuesday and Thursday, London session on YouTube. Going to make some money together. And I hope you enjoyed. Have an amazing rest of your training week. And I see you during the live streams. Bye-bye.